But even Japan, I mean, Japan has been going out over 30 years because the Japanese central bank has been buying ETFs and been buying stocks everywhere. Stocks are going up everywhere except China. Well, Japan is certainly a relative opportunity. The Japanese stock market is still down over 25% from its all-time high, which is a bit of a stunning statement. You know, it's been over 30 years since the Japanese market made an all-time high, and that in any stock market history is significant. But now the Bank of Japan is printing a lot of money, buying ETFs, and so the Japanese stock market is going up. I would expect that to continue for a while. In China, for many years, they were trying to calm it down, but it looks like something has calmed down the property bubble. And historically, no matter what the country, when you have a gigantic property bubble, it takes a long time to clear the effects. They're clearing the effects now, but as you rightly point out, the Chinese economy and market is not nearly as strong as others because they had this huge property bubble. They also had the virus. They had the virus worse than many other countries. So there's specific problems or specific reasons in China for stocks to be down. But I look at it as an opportunity. I haven't found anything, but I'm sure I will find investments in China again. I don't think China's going to go away and disappear. You'll have some bankruptcies, yes, but that leads to opportunities. That's one reason the markets are down, and it is one of the cheaper stock markets around these days. It's hard to find a stock market that hasn't boomed recently. The world still is running out of known reserves of crude. Yes, fracking came along and helped for a while, but we now know that fracking was a bit of a bubble. It's not going to last forever. So I own some crude. I don't expect it to go down a lot. It probably will go up, and I'd rather own it than not own it. I would expect that agricultural commodities will be one of the better places to invest. The Japanese stock market would be one of the better places to invest. Those are the best places I know to put new money in the rest of 2023. I would buy silver. You know, silver is down over 50% from its all-time high. Gold is near its all-time high. I own both ML, but if I were buying something today, I would buy silver. I'm not selling my gold. I will buy more gold if it's down. I would expect the gold to be a good place to be, especially in the next 2 or 3 years, because inflation is still here, and we will eventually have problems in financial markets. And when we have problems, many people look for a safe haven. They think gold and silver are safe havens. I learned about silver mainly from India, but silver is cheaper right now. Silver has uses, solar energy, for instance, many things. So I would prefer silver to gold. I'm not buying either right now, but if I would buy something today, it would be silver.